Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I hope this video encourages you to subscribe, hit that like button, and let me know what you think about this video in the comments down below. Today I'm going to be reviewing our brand new refrigerator, the LG ThinQ. Now this refrigerator is pretty cool. It does have those French style opening doors, and on the left side there is a water and ice dispenser and a control panel for the freezer, the refrigerator, the Wi-Fi, and to lock the refrigerator. Now on the right side, there is a black glass for you to look directly into the front compartment. Now I think this is pretty cool. You can knock twice to turn on the light. And it'll go off on its own, or you can knock twice to turn it off. Here's a closer look. You guys, this refrigerator has so much storage. I think I would use this compartment for on the go for me and my family. You're also able to refill inside and out. Opening these French doors, you can see all the space that it provides. This refrigerator is definitely built for family of all sizes. There are also extra storage compartments on the side, and on that left-hand side, right behind the storage, there's a compartment for you to monitor your ice filter. I love how the shelves are easily adjustable. You can slide them in and out. And very lightweight for you to store them up or down depending on your family's grocery size. The fruit and vegetable bins are so deep and spacious. They also have a fruit and vegetable temperature control. In the lower bin, there's also a temperature control for you to select your meat, deli, and produce. The bottom drawer freezer has 3 different compartments. The top shelf compartment makes ice balls. This is definitely going to be a hit at any holiday party. I love that my refrigerator is so sleek and matches my appliances so well, from my cooktop range to my built-in double oven. This refrigerator is also easy to clean. All you need is a stainless steel cleaner, a glass cleaner, and a microfiber cloth. Alright you guys, that is the end of my review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to stay safe, spread love, and to always be kind. I'll catch you in the next video.